morning. Welcome to the students of class 10. I am Elsie Madam. Our subject is Social Science. Today is our second day of Social Science. That is 23rd June 2020. Second day. Class 10. Subject is Social Science. Geography. Chapter 4. Name of the chapter is Agriculture. Yes. Yesterday we already explained about what are the three types of farming system. That is primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming and commercial farming. Today we are going to explain about the plantation. What do you mean by plantation? Plantation is a type of commercial farming. What is the meaning? A single crop is grown on a large area. Only one type of crop grown on a large area. The plantation has an interface of agriculture and industry. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, banana, etc. are the important plantation crops. Tea in Assam and North Bengal, coffee in Karnataka are some of the important plantation crops grown in these states. Is it clear what I mean by plantation? Single crop grown on a large area. Example, tea, coffee, banana, sugarcane are the different types of plantation crops. Next, come to the topic of cropping pattern. Cropping pattern of our country is mainly divided into three types. That is Rabi, Kharif and Zaid crops. First we are going to explain about the first topic, that is Rabi crops. Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer, April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram and mustard. These crops are mainly grown in the states from north and northwestern parts, that is Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and other. Uttar Pradesh are important production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperature cyclone help in the success of these crops. Is it clear what is Rabi crops? Rabi crops are sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer, that is April to June. Main Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, etc. It mainly found in the area of north and northwestern parts, that is Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, etc. Wheat and other type of crop also growing. According to the availability of water, it gets more productivity. Now come to the next cropping pattern, that is known as Kharif crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon in different parts of the country. These are harvested in September to October. Important Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, etc. It is mainly found in the area of Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, etc. etc. Recently, paddy also has become an important crop of Punjab and Haryana. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Odisha, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year 3 times they are continuously cultivating the paddy. In between, now kharif as well as the rabi is clear for you. Kharif crops are grown. It depends upon the onset of monsoon in the different parts of the country. Mainly it is found in the areas of Assam, West Bengal, coastal region, that is Kerala, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, etc. And Punjab and Haryana also nowadays 3 times in a year they are cultivating the paddy crops. Now, next come to the third topic, that is known as Zaid crops. In between the rabi and kharif crop, there is a short season. During the summer months, it is known as the Zaid season. In between these two, rabi and kharif. Some of the crops produced these are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, etc. In between the two seasons, we are getting some short time period. In that time period, that season is known as Zaid season. There, the cultivation of watermelon, muskmelon and cucumber mainly grown in this time duration. So, okay, I hope the cropping pattern is clear for you. Now come to our last topic, that is major crops. What are the major crops of our country? That is rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses are the major crops. But today we are going to explain only 2 topics, that is rice and wheat. Remaining topics I will explain tomorrow. Today our first topic is rice. Rice is the staple food crop of majority of the people in India. India is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop which requires high temperature, high humidity and annual rainfall is above 100 centimeter. In the area where they are getting less rainfall, they are using the irrigation facilities and cultivate the rice. It mainly grown in the plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the delta region. Development of dense network, canal irrigation tube wells also made possible the cultivation of rice. Where the amount of rainfall is getting more, there rice is growing mainly. But some areas nowadays the irrigation facilities, tube well facilities are increased, so that they started the cultivation of rice. And last topic of today, it is known as wheat. Wheat is the second most important cereal crops. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern parts of the country. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of ripening. It requires 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall evenly. There are 2 important wheat growing seasons are there, that is in Ganga Satluj plain in the northwest and black soil region of the Deccan. These are the 2 main wheat growing zones. One is in Ganga Satluj plains and second one is black soil region. The major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar and Rajasthan, as well as Madhya Pradesh also. Now mainly they are started the cultivation of wheat. So, okay. So the remaining 3 points tomorrow I will explain. Today mainly concentrating the 2 topics, that is rice and wheat. As usual, today's homework is read this from plantation to wheat, read all the topics and write 7 short answer type of question answer and send it in my personal WhatsApp number before 8 o'clock today. And today with this I am sending 20 objective multiple choice question answer also. Write down in your notebook. After that, you have to write the summary of the chapter. I already told you yesterday, summary you have to submit on Saturday. Okay, so every day try to complete the portion what we are completing the day, same day. Is it clear? Thank you. May God bless you.